Started following the ketogenic diet. Best keto resources for beginners new to the keto diet. When you're first starting out on the keto diet, you may not know where to turn. In fact, there are some really good resources out there for keto and some terrible ones. It really comes down to finding the right resources. Take a peek at the best keto resources for beginners below. First, I highly recommend watching The Magic Pill. It is available on Netflix and Amazon. Check out Amazon. Amazon is an excellent place for those who are looking for keto resources. There are so many books out that have helped explain the keto diet. Keto books with great reviews are as follows. There are a ton of blogs out there that promote the keto diet. Which blogs are worth checking out? I post tons of recipes and other helpful articles. You can access my keto, low-carb recipe index here. My longtime blogger friend, Jennifer, at Isavia2Z, has been on this keto journey for over a year and not only has had fantastic results but she also posts lots of keto recipes. My friend, Lauren, at Midget Mama, posts fantastic keto recipes. Other blogs worth checking out for more keto recipes are Butter Together Kitchen, How to This and That, Keto Connect, Joy Filled Eats, I Breathe I'm Hungry, Low Carb Maven, Ruled Me, All Day I Dream About Food, and Ditch the Carbs. Best websites for keto resources. Ruled Me includes a comprehensive guide to getting started with tons of resources. Charlie Foundation, it's impressive what diseases the keto diet can cure. Healthful Pursuit, she has a great YouTube channel and podcasts as well. Nutrition Advance, great beginner guide to getting started. Diet Doctor, Keto and Low Carb Made Simple. Listen, the keto diet can be a crazy world. When you are trying to find your way, it's best to find a list of resources and check them out for yourself. Just know that you can always find recipes and inspiration right on my blog. I can't wait to show you more recipes that fit the keto lifestyle. What are your favorite keto resources for those who are new to keto? If you think you might be dealing with a weight loss stall, check out these 10 reasons that may be causing a stall. Here is an Amazon keto list for many items you won't find at your local grocery store and fun snacks. Don't miss this free printable of the very best